Grade 4 agriculture or agri-nutrition project about balanced diet charts. So you assemble all what you need to prepare. You can use food cutouts, but in this project, I'm going to use real food, real and cooked and ready food for my project. So if you're new here, kindly subscribe. Join me in this journey as we learn, revise this project about CBC, what they're calling CBE. Don't watch alone. Share with your friends. Let them see. Be a source of help. So in this case, I'm going to use a plate because in CBC we improvise. So I'm going to draw a circle, a big circle like a zufuria. So a big circle. Then after drawing the big circle, you take a ruler. That is my circle. When you take a ruler, you divide into three parts. After dividing into three parts, you now can comfortably name the three basic balanced diet foods, starting with the carbohydrates, or what we call the energy giving. Then we go to vitamins, and then we can write proteins. So what is remaining is to now stick the food or to mount the food. So this is grade 4 project, neck project. You can just comment and look at this chapati. So I'm going to use the chapati. I said that I'm going to use the real food chapati. I'm going to use beans and I'm going to use avocado as vitamin. So you chop nicely. You cut. I'm going to cut chapati. You can see even my hands are clean. I can only eat. So that is our chapati. Then this is my project. Remember, when you finish this, you're going to mount this. You're going to mount this in the manila paper. You mount it in the manila paper. So here we go. We're going to use glue. Glue are what we're going to use. So this is my glue. I'm going to fix it well so that it may not misbehave. Kindly remember to like. After liking, you can also comment. You can even say thank you. Having courtesy and say just thank you if you found this video helpful. So after putting the glue, you can put your beans nicely and they will stick together because of the glue. Remember, when you finish, you need to get a very hard paper. Like for example, you need a manila paper, and then now you fix this paper to the manila, and that work would be good, presentable, and creative. So those are the beans. I am mounting them, and they are proteins. Remember, you need to say the work of the protein. What do proteins help us to do? That one you should know. Proteins, vitamin, and carbohydrates. So you take our chapati, and then again we mount it here. This is chapati. We're going to mount it here. Yes, that is our chapati. And lastly, I'm going to use vitamins. I'm going to use fruits in the place of vitamins. Avocado is a fruit. I love avocado. What about you? Do you love avocados? Just comment in the comment section below there and inform us if you love chapati. Remember to subscribe to our channel. Subscribe. Avocado. I cannot use a lot because I bought it so that I can eat. But before I eat, let me just get few pieces to help someone. The way I have helped someone to know how to cope with about this project, kindly share with your friends. So that is you mount the avocado, and that is how the I have a piece of meat. It's so sweet. Let me mount the rest. So meat belongs also to proteins. So that is it. That is how we do it. So just this a repeat. So thank you for watching. Thank you. So I say again, thank you. Subscribe and share with others.